Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing a very special box. This is the Witch's Bounty for April 2021. This box was gifted to me, but the opinions are my own. I am late opening it because it's been finals, and I've had my final exam today, and I passed, so it's over for, about 10 days before I start summer term. Anyway, I'm very excited to open this box. I'm excited to have this little period to kind of reconnect with you guys and catch up on some content that I've been really wanting to do. And so without further ado, let's check out this box. Oh, don't forget, please like, comment, and subscribe. I have reached 1,500 subscribers, which I'm super psyched about. And I will be doing a giveaway soon. So stay tuned till the end of the video and I'm going to give you more information about that. All right. Ooh, she's beautiful. Peaceful Blue Skies. Wow. Look at her. Oh my God, she's beautiful. I love her hair made of flowers. She's so pretty. Okay, let's see. So we've got a cord for our pendant. We've got some, oh, it's got herbs on it. So let me open it properly then, so we can see the full effect. Ooh. Beautiful. Ooh, herbaceous. Nice, nice, nice. I love that. We've got, oh my goodness, so pretty. I wonder if I can get this. There we go. Very, very lovely. We've got an oil. Stillness. Look at all that goodness floating in there. Ooh, and it smells good. It's got a very minty smell. I love it. Those are my favorites. Cleanse. Yeah. I love this. So far, so good. Oh my God. I'm so excited. What's it gonna be? Oh. Oh, wow. That is just absolutely beautiful. Stunning. This is beautiful. Amazing. I'm actually wearing one right now too. Ooh, see it? My Herkimer diamond pendant. It's also really beautiful. All right. It is simply too easy for us to slip into negative thoughts of our past or fears of the future. During these times, we take away the opportunity to bask in the beautiful stillness that is now. Filled with energy and blessings that can easily be ignored due to overwhelming emotions that hinder our growth. On this day, we walk barefoot onto the grass, into the woods, or sink our feet into the sand and water, staring up into the blue abyss. It is at this moment that we realize how wonderful and vibrant the possibilities around us truly are. Wisdom is found within these moments. Stability and hope are found within these energies. In this beautiful collection, we find solace in the most simple and profound aspect that is available to us. It is within the perception of time and space where we can unfold our truest intentions. Very cool. Let me just get this, since I've got my hands halfway through. Double set Peruvian blue pendant in 0.925 silver. It's absolutely just beautiful. We're so thrilled to have the opportunity to create a pendant with this stone, as Peruvian blue opal can be quite rare, only found within the Andes Mountains near San Patricio, Peru. Unlike the fiery energies of other opals, Peruvian blue opals contains a high water content. It is very important that this piece not exposed to too much heat or sunlight, as it can easily lose its brilliance and may fracture. It's a calming and clearing stone. provides us with a release from worries and anxieties. This stone reminds us to focus on our breathing and remain in the present moment, moving through one moment at a time. So very cool. Stillness Magical Anointing Oil. It brings a sense of completeness to the energies that accompany you in your daily journey. As you cultivate your energy each day, allow this anointing oil to be your companion and ethereal friend. When anointing, visualize your nerves washing away until you can only feel the breath that enters and exits your body. It has peppermint, spearmint, rosemary, and clary sage, as well as angelica root, sage, peppermint herbs. It's got a Lumarian mini quartz. Very cool. Cleanse Ritual Incense Sticks. The Calm Spell Candle. It's hand-rolled, providing calming and relaxing energies. It's also rolled in lavender. Very cool. A Tumbled Blue Opal. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. To accompany on your path. And the Blue Opal Book of Shadows artwork, which is just amazing. So beautiful. I absolutely love this box. This box is just a treasure. I'm going to leave the information in the link below. I mean, it's just stunning adornment after stunning adornment. And I've been just rocking them lately, and they're just so so powerful, each in their own way, and it's just been really just amazing, and I cannot sing its praises enough. I'm very excited to use all of these items, and I'm going to leave you the information in the link below. So please like, comment, and subscribe. I am going to be doing my 1,500 subscriber giveaway soon, probably in the next 2 weeks. The other thing is that I'm going to be live on Amethyst Ascension's channel on May 10th, so look out for information about that. And finally, on May 9, 10, and 11, I'm going to be doing a virtual yard sale to get rid of some of my excess items. There's going to be a ton. I have books, decks, candles, incense, jewelry of the wazoo. I have statues, decor. I have just so much. Some of that items, well over 100 of the items that are going to be for sale are already up on my Facebook group, so check it out there. The link is in my about page. It'll link you to my Facebook. There's a Hound Dog Hollow and general page, and there's also my group. It's in my group, so definitely check it out. So you'll know like what's going to be for sale. A lot of it's also on my website, but I'm not doing any sales on my website, so don't try there. Definitely there will be like if you spend this much, you'll get a free something, and you know, you'll have to pay shipping in addition to what you pay for the box, but I'm going to try and keep things super reasonable, super reasonably priced. And every day that I make a sale, the 9th, 10th, and 11th, we will be also having like a prize for people. So definitely stay tuned for more information on that. It is coming. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to connect with you.